A1TV सब पे नजर अंदर की खबर।
I sincerely want to thank the director of Kemia, Amna Khan. I want to thank Ambassador Sohail Mahmood, an old friend. And I also want to thank other participants like Andrew Wilder, Andrew J. Schofer, Ambassador Durrani. Actually, I had come to attend the next session. That's my honest admission. And I was excited to see my old friends, Michael Kugelman and my good friend, Dr. Hassan Abbas. So I actually came to, shake hands with them and listen to the scholarly ladies and gentlemen. But here, Mr. Humayun just put a task in front of me to speak up on something that I was not mentally ready about. And it looks like that the fatigues I had hanged up a few months ago as an analyst and talking head is still hounding me. Well, I'll just say a few words. Pakistan as a country wants to develop as a progressive democratic nation that wants peace within and peace without. Every country and every political leadership have made mistakes in the past. We have our fair share in those mistakes and few blunders as well. But we want to move on. We want to be a nation that wants to look after its people and wants to focus on the people of its country. It's in our interest that we avoid the current confrontation between big powers. We have been sucked into big power games in the past. But we have, I hope, looking at General Durrani, I would say we have learned few lessons. We so far refuse to be sucked into those power games because those confrontations of the past, of the Cold War, have not given us anything. We might have got a lot of money from here up there, but somehow it has not helped our people. So we want to focus on our people, on our economy, both East and West, North. We want to have good relations, including India. We already have great relations with China. We have had, hot and cold, but generally very stable relations with Iran. And I don't want to even tell you the, history of relations with Afghanistan. Despite the changes that have occurred there since August 15, 2021, we want to have pragmatic, good, normal relations with India, with Afghanistan. Sadly, despite our sincere wishes, we don't have a good report card to show you. We are having serious problems at times, and if you have followed the speech of our Interior Minister giving you the stats, even just recent 24 suicide attacks that happened on our soil, 14 of those were Afghan nationals. So we have a host of issues with Afghanistan, but we want to be a good neighbor. We can't change geography. We can't change neighbors. So we would like to have good relations with them. We have great relations with the wider Middle East. We still maintain those good ties, but we are shifting all those ties and focusing on economy. We are focusing on trade. I'm sure you are aware of the new initiative that took place during last government, and we are continuing SIFC, Special Investment Facilitation Council. The spearhead of that council is economy, trade, exploring new opportunities. So we want to be a peaceful state within our boundaries, and we want to promote those relations, and that's all I could offer when you are not mentally ready and you are thrust to speak when you had no clue you would be speaking. Thank you.
A1 TV, सब पे नजर, अंदर की खबर।